Toastmaster Zaid Kaliya once again.
Once upon a time, a young man in a hospital supplicated, Rabbi habli min ladunka dhurriyatan tayyibah. O Lord, grant me the righteous child. After a while, he heard, he went to his child, he picked him up and said the golden words. Try, try, one day you will fly. His son, my son, Hassan, replied, which means I will do my best. Fellow friends, I belong to a chartered accountant family. I'm a chartered accountant, my father is a chartered accountant, my brother is a chartered accountant, my uncles, my cousins are chartered accountant, and my sister is wife of a chartered accountant. Let me take you to my college. Comets College, my English teacher entered into the room. Today, we will have a spontaneous speech session. Roll number 303, please proceed to the podium. It was my roll number. I was stunned, but I gathered my strength, went to the podium, fumbled and tumbled, but couldn't speak a word. Next was the grilling session, with a concluding, powerful conclusion. Try, try, one day you will fly. Behind every successful man, there is a suffering. My wife and I were happy for 20 years. Then we got married. She's very sophisticated, loving woman for herself. She employs latest technology to manipulate me. And that is blink of an eye. My son Sinan has a cattish memory. Due to his behavior, he was lost 20 times. 5 of them were deliberate attempts by my son. But he every time finds us. My son Usama gave me the lesson of never give up. I used to play with him every day. And he keeps on playing the same game again and again and again and again until he wins the game. I'm working as a chief financial officer at Shield Corporation Limited for a decade. Every year, I put up my case for promotion to my CEO. He's a very good listener and a motivational speaker. He replies, try, try, one day you will fly. People remember me as the legend, the distinguished Toastmaster, the champion, and a successful person. However, I wasn't born as a champion. When I was born, I said, you all did that, but my voice was pathetic then. I lived my life busy, without any purpose. I was afraid of my fears. I didn't have courage to pursue my goals. Like many people in this world. But one day, I heard a polite voice. Enough is enough! My wife. So I invested my time, money and energy on my self-development. And by spending heart, soul, night, days, soul, blood, sweat, everything which is in dictionary, today I have become a good speaker, an amateur boxer, and a professional swimmer in kids' pool. Remember guys, I had my failures and setbacks. But I have won many accolades, trophies, award recognition, and the highest of them recently, 2019 video speech contest, whether you like it or not, I am the second position holder, announced by TI. The first Pakistani ever achieved this award, so you cannot snatch it from me. My ambition is to ignite the fire in people so that they can unleash their inner talent, to rock the world. So here's the moment for you, here's the time for you. Grab your cell phone, please. Grab your cell phone. Turn on the selfie mode. Please do it. Have a big smile on your face. Do it, please. And repeat after me. Try, one day you will fly. Try, one day you will fly. Repeat after me. Try, one day you will fly.